Hello everyone, I represent Olabams Creations and today I want to show us how to eliminate zip bulge, and I'll be making use of a basic bodice pattern. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. You will notice that some people, when they add zip to their cloth, there is always a kind of bulging, and there are different ways in which you can eliminate this bulge, and I'll be showing you one of the ways. I left 2 inches as my zipper allowance, so from my waistline I will come in by ½ inch. From that ½ inch I connected to the hem, and then on this chest line I'll connect that or the bust line. You can use either but I like using the chest line. I'll connect back. Can you see? I have eliminated that bulge. So on the waistline I will redraw the line. I'll come in by ½ inch, then join it. You might be asking that will it not affect the measurement? It won't. Everything would have been taken care of. When I'm doing the zip, I'll just sew along this line. To eliminate that zip bulge, I'm going to be cutting this line off.